Lawrence Diary, 30 March 2026. Welcome back. Today's footage takes us to the sanctuary of the Madonna di San Luca, an abbey perched on a hill near Bologna. To reach the top, you follow this path, the longest covered walkway in Europe. I've walked this trail many times. Every time I go to Bologna, I climb it again. The first time I almost lost my drone. I thought flying in the rain was a good idea. Well, it wasn't. This time I wasn't alone. I was with a lifelong friend, almost 20 years of friendship, and walking together felt different. So today I want to pause for a moment and look at this path as something more. Because when you start walking, you think you already know the destination, you know where you're going, but you don't know what the walk will be. I've climbed this hill 3 or 4 times, same path, but never the same experience. Rain, sun, crowds, silence, and each time I saw something different, because every walk follows the same pattern. You start step by step, nothing really changes, and sometimes it feels pointless. You stop, you look around, you think you have already seen everything, and that's where most people turn back. And then you arrive, and when you reach the top, you realize something. Nothing changed, not the path, not the church, you. Because it was never just the path, it was everything you carried with you and everything that changed along the way. This time it was different again. I visited the dome for the first time, I wasn't alone, I felt new, and I wonder how it will feel the next time. Maybe that's the point. Coming back is not about reaching the top, it's about continuing to walk again and again, and learning to see with different eyes, because sometimes what you can see today will be the very thing that changes you tomorrow. So, stop, sometimes, breath, notice, because that's the only way to remember. This day was a beautiful memory. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video, and as always, cheers!